get down and dirty. I don't wash my hands, y'all. Right now I'm just cutting up the lemons. But I want to talk about the past. Leaving stuff where it is or continuing to move forward with it. Oh my God, it looks so good. I'm so sorry. But no, y'all, this looks so damn good. I'm so fucking hungry. But no, let me get into it. I'm gonna taste this freaking thing. Yes. Y'all. This potato. Oh my God. Y'all. Oh my God. Yummy in my tummy. But no. Y'all. How do you move forward with something that, you know, this is the colossal shrimp, y'all. I'm so sorry to just cut my sentence off like that, but y'all, this is the super colossal. Oops. I got seasoning. But no, what I'm really trying to get at is that an ex, and maybe some exes don't belong in this category, but I don't even want to talk about nothing. I just want to eat this. Because y'all, I did this shit. And these potatoes on point. These potatoes is on point. Hopefully I don't get too messy, y'all. When I say I'm hungry, y'all. And I forgot what time it is. It might be 5 something. A girl gotta get ready to go to bed in a few hours. When I say few, I mean like, yeah, I need to be in the bed early. I gotta go to work tomorrow. Gotta do it. I can't believe I did this shit, y'all. I think like I really put my foot up in this bitch. Seriously. These potatoes is on point. So y'all, I'm trying to like, I need to gain some weight. Like, some people don't know it, but one of my insecurities is being as small as I am right now. That is one of my biggest insecurities. Like, I hate being this small. I don't think, okay, I'm not gonna say hate. You know, hate is a strong word. I despise. I dislike being this size because for me, it's just too freaking small. Like, I'm too small. Y'all, right now, a girl weighs 104. Now, that is small as hell to where I need to be. Like, to the weight I need to be. Like, eat you rice. But that's too, it's too small. I've always been insecure about my body. I've always been insecure about my body. One thing I've never been insecure about is my face. I've never been insecure about my face, but I have been insecure about my body. So being this small, I don't like it. And I was like, before I was working at Columbia Farms, y'all, I was like 119, 120, which is really good weight for me. Especially being as small as I am. So the fact that I started working there and I started losing all that damn weight, like, I'm gonna need, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna need something. Cause these fucking nails on my damn hand. But because I was there for the amount of time that I was there, and when I say y'all, I lost so much weight. I lost so much fucking weight working there. Like, I lost too much weight working there. I lost too much weight. And I ain't like that shit. Cause before, girl a little thick, you know? Girl a little thick, you know? It had some meat on bones. You feel me? I'm gonna cut my nails off. Oh, look at it. Look at God. But anyway, before I had some weight, y'all. I had some weight. The girl had some weight, and I was satisfied. I was satisfied with that weight.